All right, guys, here's just a quick shot of your typical Jeep seat. I'm sick and tired of vacuuming my seats. I'm sick and tired of shampooing them. And if you're like me, you're probably getting sick of it too. Just kind of figured enough's enough. I'm going to get some seat covers. So I reached out to OffGrid, got a set, and I'm going to install them right now, and we're going to show them to you. All right, so it looks like we've got some nice black and blue. These are the brand new tire tread collection from OffGrid, and we got a nice elasticity to it, nice and thin, nice and breathable, but nice and stretchy as well. And we'll throw these on and check them out. All right, so I just wanted to pause for a second. So just to let you know, when you receive your package, you're actually going to get a fittings and instructions sheet inside of it, and you're going to get these little clips. So once we've got the seat cover on, there's actually these little tabs that kind of sit at the bottom, and they're all the way around. So basically what you want to do is take these clips, you're going to connect all of them underneath the seat, and that's basically just going to hold everything nice and tight, and it's going to keep it from shifting. Jeepers, so there you have it. We've got our seat covers installed, and I'll just move out of the way here. You can take a better look. They just add a little bit of extra color and character to your Jeep. Maybe they'll match with some of the interior components you have, but cheap way to protect your seats, make it easier to clean them, and really just puts a little style to it. So anyways, one of the things I wanted to add to here was that when you're installing them, there's the straps with the hooks, but there are some areas where the hooks won't meet each other. You actually just add a little loop in around them, and they'll all connect in and give it like a really nice snug fit. And yeah, it'll look great. Anyways, great purchase. I will put a link below if you guys want to check them out yourself. But anyways, thanks for watching, and we will catch you next week.